Hey guys, as the sign says, coming at you from Lincoln Boyhood National Memorial outside of Dale, Indiana. Let's take a ride together. So I took a right out of the parking lot for the Lincoln Boyhood Memorial and am heading north. Living Historical Farm. I don't know what that is, but check this out. They've closed the road down and kind of made a little short little bike path. Right down from the old Lincoln homestead spread there, I noticed this old engine here. Gotta come down here and check this out. Hoosier Southern. That's pretty rad. This says Lincoln City on the sign back there. I guess maybe that's what this little community is. But just off down that way is Dale, Indiana, which is the hometown of Mrs. Brady, Florence Henderson. Coming back out on the main highway here, and the town, the small town that I'm going to be heading to next, which is very close, is called Gentryville. So this is who it's named after, I'm guessing. Well, on this blustery day, I figured I'd pull into the Gentryville Cemetery to see if there was an old section of headstones. And there is, although this is a newer version. But here's the fellow that owned the store that employed Abraham Lincoln. And I am guessing this old headstone here, you can kind of make out some markings, but I think it's sandstone. And the hands of time have taken the lettering down to the point where you can't read it. Yeah, there's some stones here in the weeds. Back to the road. The end of the Lincoln Hill Scenic Route. I don't know what that consists of. It's a thing. And here's the junction for Indiana 62 and the end of Indiana 162. But yeah, this is downtown Gentryville, I'm guessing. This would be considered downtown. Not much going on here anymore. Gentryville, established 1827, according to the water tower. I came around to the back of the residence. So this back porch, I guess, is where old Abraham Lincoln used to hang out and watch the comings and goings of the little mercantile that this used to be. Pretty cool. There's the cellar. This is Rachel's garden. In the absence of medicines and cooking spices, early Hoosier homes included a kitchen garden. Wonder if the central air unit is original too, from the 1820s. Just kidding. Okay. Back to the road. High water, it says. It could be high water up here. More oil tanks and gravel. Hey now. What the heck? Okay. I don't know what that's all about, but that's cool. That's cool too. There's some wetlands. So yeah, this is where your high water would be. Gotcha. Gotcha. That makes sense. That's the way I came. Just like that, the gravel ends, and here we got a dog. You're gonna end up getting hit, doggo. Get out of the road. You don't want to get hit, man. Come on. And here comes a car. Hill. Well, looks like our buddy is good to go. So what is the general rule of thumb? If they're pointed that way is the way they're going. So hey, good looking. Doesn't look like it's injured at all. So we saw it there, put it there in the sun. Good luck, turtle. State Route 161. All right. This is Phillips Road. If the surrounding area floods, you're good to go up here. What goes up must go down. E-A-M-E-S, Eames Station Road. left on Tennyson Road. This is the little town of Tennyson, Indiana. I've seen better days. The walls can tell a story, right? I just pulled on to State Highway. We'll see how this goes. I didn't charge the rear blinky light, so hopefully it's still going. Now I need it. And just to report on that rear blinky light, it's dead. Getting off Highway 62, and I'm at 1250 north now. 200 east. And we're coming back up to, I think it's called Lincoln Trail Road, where we were earlier in the video. Well, right on, man. That was a pretty good ride. Super pretty scenery out here. Historic stuff. I mean, lots to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys are inspired to get out, explore your neck of the woods. Until the next ride, keep on doing exploring of your own. And thank you guys very much for riding along with me. I appreciate the company. Peace. Until next time.